We can't get enough pugs, so I bought this pug calendar. Let's take a look inside. Although he doesn't really seem to care too much about day of the week, he does care about when he gets fed. So we've got a calendar up, and we decided why not get a pug calendar. This one is an 18th month calendar. That's pretty cool. It's got a hole right away. We've got pug pictures. This is about a 12-inch calendar, so these are huge photos. Give you a quick preview of all the different pictures in there. Being 18 months, you get a couple extra photos. It's nice to have a piece of cardboard in there to keep it nice and stiff. It looks like if we check out what's going on with the months, we get a preview of the next month and a look back, so you don't have to flip the calendar. You get the days of the week real quick, holidays. Looks like there's also phases of the moon. Lots of good info and all these pug pictures. Hope this helps.